Hey guys, what's up? And in this video we'll be talking about the reduced syllabus of CBSE. As you all know that CBSE has reduced the syllabus for class 11th and 12th in this emergency situation, and it is done as a one-time measure. And in this video specifically we'll be talking about the deleted portions in the commerce stream syllabus of CBSE for class 12th, and it will be a video series where I'll be talking about different subjects in different videos. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the deleted portions of accountancy syllabus. Okay, so let us begin. Now, before I begin, here is a brief introduction about me. My name is Ashish Sachdev. I'm a CA by practice and training, educator by passion. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe it, hit the like button, and also share this content because it really motivates me a lot to create more such awesome content for you guys. You can also follow us on Facebook. We have a group, and on Telegram we have a channel, and on Instagram also, and the links of the same are given in the description box below. Okay, now we'll look at the syllabus of accountancy for class 12th. It is divided into 3 parts by CBSE. Part A, it is for 60 marks, part B is of 20 marks, and part C is the project work that is of 20 marks. Now in part A, what they make you learn is accounting for non-profit organizations, partnership firms and companies. So these are the 3 units that are covered there. In part B, you have got analysis of financial statements. There are 2 units, analysis of financial statements and cash flow statement. And in part C, as I've already told you, that it is related to your project work, and there are 3 parts of your project. One is your file, second is a test of 1 hour, that is for 12 marks, and the third is the viva voce for 4 marks. Okay, so this is your syllabus of accountancy. Now in unit 1, there is no change that has been made by CBSE, no deduction, no deletion made from unit 1. In unit 2, there are minor changes, and in unit 3, there are minor changes that have been made. In unit 4 and 5, no changes made. It means that part B remains same as you were studying it earlier. Now also you have to study the same topics. And in part C, now CBSE is telling that you have to make only 1 project. Okay, so that is the reduction part. Now let us look into the details of the deleted portions. Okay, and how much beneficial it is for you. Now in unit 2, where we were made to learn accounting for partnership firm, there is a topic called as admission of partner, and in this admission of partner, now you will not be asked adjustment of capital account and preparation of balance sheet in this case. Now as far as how beneficial it is, yes, of course, you will now have to practice less number of sums for this topic, and the adjustment of capital account, if you ask me personally, and if you because I teach students as well for class 11th and 12th accounts and economics. So as far as the conceptual clarity and understanding is concerned, you should be prepared with entire concept of admission of partner when you study this topic. And if you are studying accountancy for your class 12th, you are already through with your basics in class 11th. So making an account or a statement is not big deal for accounts people, right? So as far as the conceptual clarity is concerned, you should have the conceptual clarity no matter if this topic has been deleted. You may practice less sums because it will not be asked in your exams, but my dear friends, you should have conceptual clarity. And preparation of balance sheet is not big deal because it is just a sheet where you have balances of assets and liabilities. So talking about the, that there is a big reduction or something like that, no such reduction, no such deletion. You should focus on the concepts. Conceptual clarity should be there, because let me tell you one thing, that these topics, they were read by your seniors when they were in their class 12, and they will be read by your juniors as well when they will be coming in class 12. So you should not be left behind. I must say that you should not be left behind, and you should also prepare these topics on conceptual part, although you may practice less sums because they will not be asked in the exams. Now moving ahead, in the retirement and death of a partner topics, in retirement you will not be asked adjustment of capital account again. Okay, loan account will also not be asked, and this is a loan account, making a loan account, simple loan account, there is no big deal. For a retiring partner, you make it in a loan, convert it in a loan account. Okay, so these types of questions were there earlier. Now you do not have to practice them, but conceptual clarity wise, you should be prepared, my dear friends. Okay, then in case of a deceased partner, capital account is not required. I mean, it will not be asked. Okay, but you should know the basics. I mean, these are the basic concepts, because these topics, as far as questions are concerned, they can be differentiated, but on the conceptual part you cannot differentiate all these topics when you are studying partnership as a whole. Okay, accounting for partnerships rather. Okay, then executor's account will also will not be asked from you in the exams this time. Okay, it has been deleted from your syllabus, right? Now moving ahead, in unit 3, that is the accounting for companies, we used to have issue of shares. There is no deletion in that topic. We used to have issue of debentures, no deletion. Then we used to have redemption of debentures, in which they have deleted the methods of redemption, lump sum and draw of lots. On conceptual part, again I am telling you, my friends, that these topics, they are, you know, when you understand the topic of debentures, issue and redemption, you read it consolidated, you read it as a whole, and just not practicing these sums. I mean, it will lessen your burden a bit, but not exactly, I must say. So you should not think that there is a big relief. Obviously, in exams, questions will not be asked, but you should be prepared for the future. You should be prepared. I mean, and you are getting so much time. So wherever you are studying, wherever you are learning all these topics from any book that you are referring, please do have the conceptual clarity of all these subjects. Study them consolidated, and when you are practicing questions for them, you can certainly differentiate that, okay, these topics will not be asked in the exam, so I can practice less amount of questions for them. You can certainly practice 1 or 2 questions, and then you can move ahead with the remaining portions. Now in this video, as we have talked about accountancy, in the next video we'll be talking about economics. So this was all for this video. Thank you, have an awesome day, and I always say that you people are so awesome, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Have an awesome day. Enjoy. Thank you.